Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Card Squid Game. First, gather your materials. 2 sheets of paper, preferably square, for each deed-action card you want to create. This traditional Korean game involves flipping your opponent's card by throwing your own. It's a surprisingly engaging activity that requires both skill and a bit of luck, perfect for playing with friends or family. Let's start with the first sheet of paper. Begin by folding it in half, then unfold. Now, fold it in half again in the opposite direction and unfold. This creates a cross in the center. Next, fold each corner towards the center point, forming a smaller square. Ensure your creases are sharp and precise for a sturdy final product. Now, take your second sheet of paper and repeat the exact same folding process as the first. Once both sheets are folded into those smaller squares, it's time to combine them. Place one folded square directly on top of the other, ensuring they are perfectly aligned. You'll see 4 flaps on each piece, ready to be interwoven to create the deed-action. To secure your deed-action card, carefully tuck the outer flaps of the top piece into the inner pockets of the bottom piece. Work your way around, ensuring each flap is snugly inserted. Press down firmly on all the folds to make your deed-action as flat and robust as possible. With your card now complete, you're ready to challenge your friends to a game of deed-action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.